Hey everybody, welcome back to another review of a model car here. This is another one I finished up here. This is the 36 Wild One modified by MPC. Keep it on the screen there. 1/25th scale car. This one's a lot of fun to do. You can do it however you want because, you know, it is a little modified race car. I'll keep the intro brief and let's go take a look at this car. Alright, so here is my 36 modified by MPC. Let's just spin this around real quick here. It's not the perfect little car, but it is a fun little car. And it looks pretty cool. Put the camera around up a little bit. Alright, so let's soak that in. So let me tell you what it's about here. Nice little modified. It's got a nice little frame here. You got to be careful picking it up. Nothing too hard about this here. So it's got the rear suspension, goes on the frame. The engine goes on the frame. Front suspension, it all goes on there. The engine, you really can't see a lot of it after you do it. There's my interstate battery. Then it's got this nice little hood that goes over it. I think my engine is on a little crooked because I do believe that should be centered with the hole there. So the hood sits on the little pegs up front, which is on the front radiator. Got these nice meaty tires on here. I love these tires. Got the Goodyear already printed on them. Very, very cool. So once you get the chassis done, which is very basic, you got the interior here, which is hard to see. You don't see a lot of it. Mine's in aluminum. Red roll cage. Like I said, kind of hard to see. Got the seat in there, the steering wheel, firewall, which has a couple little details on it. I just did a Sharpie marker on those. Like I said, can't see the interior, but then you put the body on. Body itself, as far as I can tell, its only points of contact are right along the firewall to the inside of the thing. Now mine's a little crooked. It was kind of hard to get in there. Got to finagle that around a little bit, but if you look in the back, you can see it's kind of crooked just a smidge, but it looks good. Alright, let me explain some the paint job here. So these are the decals that are in the kit. It also has the O2, the black O2s with the stripes. So I've got these yellow and red 94s, which kind of reminded me a little bit of the Bill Elliott McDonald's car. So I figure let's keep that theme. And I did a red and white car here with the yellow wheels to kind of keep the Bill Elliott McDonald's theme going. Kind of a basic scheme. Just striped it off. Not the most perfect stripe you can see in the back here. Kind of got a little wonky there. Used a couple of the sponsored decals there. The yellow is a Tamiya yellow. Just sprayed it on the wheels, popped them in the tires. The red on the car is Rust-Oleum red. The white is Rust-Oleum white. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Like I said, you could do this however you want because it is a race car. You know, why not throw some Wood Brothers decals on or some Earnhardt decals or whatever you want to do. I gotta tell you, this was kind of a fun kit. Took me a couple days to do. Like I said, not the most perfect build, but definitely a fun build. I highly recommend it. So, this is a short review. Short, whatchamacallit? Oh, I did the 94 backwards from a normal race car because I figured you'd see it from the stands when it's racing. Also, Bill Elliott had the one Coors Light car where the 9 was on the wrong way, like that. So, kind of keeping the Bill Elliott theme there. So I recommend you getting one. As always, I appreciate you watching my videos. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit the like button. For my subscribers, I appreciate you being subscribed. Appreciate everybody watching my videos. So wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you're all doing well. I'll catch you guys later on the next build.